Hello everyone, welcome back to Kai Hair official YouTube channel. I am Zoe, a sales expert from Kai Hair. Today I want to talk about something very important if you are in the hair business or looking back to buy hair extension. We will cover the common risk when buying hair or how to work smoothly with Vietnamese supplier. So let's get started. One of the bigger risk is using hair that even the quality you expected. Sometimes people may mix hair or processed hair that they claim is 100% human hair, but it could be mixed with synthetic fiber or has been overly processed. Another risk is brand different. Sometimes vendors may offer extremely low price, but the quality matches the price. Many buyers also experience delay or inconsistent supply from their vendor. It's important to find a reliable supplier that can meet your demand, security, and on time. When problems arise, some vendors may not offer refund or replacement. Communication can be difficult. Make sure to work with suppliers who clear policy and good communication. So, what are standard working methods with Vietnamese supplier? When working with Vietnamese supplier, it's crucial to communicate clearly. Use sample language and double-check all details to avoid misunderstanding. A trusted supplier will respond quickly and provide transparent answer. Before making a large purchase, compare other samples to check quality of the hair. This step will save you from bigger problems later on. Vietnamese suppliers often prefer secure payment methods like bank transfer, cotton union, or money grant, and so on. Make sure to discuss and agree on the payment method before confirming any other. In Vietnam, relationship matter. Building a good connection with your supplier can lead to better price, better delivery, and more reliable product. So that's it. There are the risks you should watch out for and how to work with good supplier. I hope you found this helpful, and if you are looking for just a supplier, please contact me now on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tip video.